Vim lady Afia Pokuah and so about deep on a Kwame Baffle Abronye a arrest and Rasen Yesi Faso Echeno at some point in Pono, Yesi Abronye ne her about to Crampono, ye said the name baby a Abronye ewo. And no other film lady abidim como which rema Oko within NPP and Casampona. Some people are even happy, say Abronye, and yes it is true, especially the camp of Kennedy. Send Abronye esi Eddie Kennedy a complex Japan. Ne campono and yadia so mubeja say Abronye into the area would happy. Vim lady Afia Pokuah ako details on it and also a church say mo ewo the message at the NPP for any send Abronye yes he arrested no. What do you come on?
The MPP and got more big issue. If you have Abronye issue, we don't know how it is. They say lawyers now are trying to get access to Abronye, but they are not getting access to Abronye. They say, baby Abronye. Well, this is how serious Adiana has gotten to. Ain't more politics. They be more on baby Dowona. We are not talking about that issue. I mean, this is a very scary issue. Say the lawyers for Abronye cannot have access to him. This is serious. This is serious. I don't think our lawyers for Abronye cannot get access to him. Why can they not get access to him? Because it will be a constitutional right to say a chewa. You have a right to meet your lawyers. You have a right. Nipa no making charges now against you, no. Must now prove the case. This is the way Abronye issue. It's the police that has to prove the issue against Abronye. Video or no video. Law no there. The attempt to that kingdom come. Law no nye utim. And a law and your emotions. Law and say a chubia. A police for the onus is on the police to prove the case against the person. It's a video now more of Abronye insulting or otherwise of IGP ni president. No. And was a police for the court. Within 48 hours, they must grant him bail. And now say take him to court. There are two options. Either say police want to cut money bail. And now say the court. Na court to move money bail, specifying specific conditions. But there's no way the police can hold him more than 2 days. But also because of politics, and I've seen this thing now in the history of a year. I've seen it. In fact, Abronye journalist. I cannot even give the example of Kwekuba Akone Haruna Atadie. Jail. That's not even. But although I know so a freedom of media, but Abronye is a politician. That's where the difference is. And politics. Well, to me, say politics against politics. It is a politician no politics there. Usually, no. What happens is that person use to the power to show you where the power lies. So, and that is why the lawyers cannot get a Abronye. Police want him so to me keep Abronye 2 days. Keep Abronye 2 days. They must grant him, but 2 days in there. Vemel. 2 days. Commando. 2 days. Watch no. 2 days, they cannot torture Abronye. According to the law, they cannot torture Abronye because that would be human rights abuse. That's also because suspects cry more rights. And to mean torture, but the obey say, Mr. Police officer, they have a very smart way of doing it. To make jaws when I'm to Mario. Send to no cat and to Mario. Bomberman to Mario, Obia Musa, Obia, what's your name? Sign her, no moko. No masaba, and video no kind but they have a way they can torture you without even you knowing that they can torture you. But I'm saying that bottom line in United kuku ni jaya keka ni beja yet Ghana ha obiti abroche. In fact any obi mkofo biti abroche ebi muso te Ghana or might be attempts na those wa bro say president mama chichin kofo kakre o chichin kofo. And mind you, to be fair to President Mama, IGP, no police one. Just that the notion is there's a government of the day who now control the system, no any apparatus, no. But any President Mama to speak no but I not buy breso. Na say a chechia. A Kufuor party at only 2016 before Kufuor winning power. The issue NDC big man Neil and Vanderpoint. After Kufuor a short man, one short man already a president that. Short man already president. I want to be the president. But Kufuor to be the president. Kufuor don't attend say they didn't attempt or why is a Kodua Yakoso. Sa Baltic once you talk to a crumb to Kufuor with him super pay to on. Me, I've criticized the Kufuor more than a lot of people. They be me praise President Mama for more than in the end people baby crying me concern me share them feel Kufuor. But I like him. I'm just a critic of his style maybe. But the good for the captain did you good for papa. But on chishing cover on a mass he say bloggers ya on way. But to be fair, their excess is be a bloggers near 2 months. But you see, the Kotia IGP area who say do not see a brochure the attempt one cafe. To the extent that to me the bar say it didn't attempt. Or buy a serious condition tini womb ye.
And to listening to a film lady Afia Pokuah just say some are also dropping not just wouldn't come about a Abronye the no children away a just political a hand and I just say or more call after a Abronye
to me the deal be at them and the IGP man coach. Abrante dio be at them or 2 4 1 I have watching in a crowd and where mobile. Or chain is Sebi or Sebi, Bruce Sebi, and Predator Manusha Subnas because or any Cassiano or chain or the word did was Semo Quasia or check me oh, Yancheno. NBC Moody Panis any Pacrono. Moncroft no man to be is it that double standards? Missy and support you be a mean supporting blog because their bloggers here without training, without decorum, without respect. Enye fine. Obia sorry as a podcast no di atem enye kama. But you see, now no the existing chief justice asem yawo. Because MPP for enebo Charlotte say remove anti. NDC ba won so mo so a chief justice ko. Enti today, say NDC so wo ho no match mo ko for the MPP for tema fact mo kra de masa mo freedom so mo ko. Masa mo bodyguard. Masa momo baby papa tena endorsing and enabling because sometimes we be timi ayade and unka ho un support but later the obey any dia dance say you have adopted the nipa na ye and you support and you endorse it ni now obi see who mention name I am body bi o edibo enye for this platform I can issues. Enti amwa Naomi you can go and insult yeah they fire aha me my school baby am school edu echenya na I won't do that I go pompengu enti na send you am kakra me say sebi producer sebi o manu shesu na so o chen na say me I will not be the one you can always insult me pa ho na se mimi sura ye di matter over 20 something million means don't you can continue ukra oh, sending message in Naomi now so the atamaka you are allowed. Sometimes adema is not worth yenyan kola. You started journalism 20 years old and then you did 40 something. No. Some things are not you're too pricey and too polished for insult, forget it. On the issue na make can say sometimes I brought your money other people no excesses no. Sabi yesu obi fum kuma obi mfum dwa obi fum kuma obi mfum dwa rich lie I salute you I take am why I take am enti no enye say obi ye under NDC and MPP for no ama ye didi obi atam no obi answer obi enable no you don't come and repeat it. This is the problem I had with Abronye Sebasa unye obi ampo say we regional chairman. Say a party who soldiers people now more because only panim. But as regional chairman, o level no was so much to say you don't come to a certain level. You see, you don't just come to a certain level. Say there be baby I'm a banner. Me so person me back. Na me be obi ayebi. Yan kind of shenti ma me no regional chairman there. One say won to me yeah obi aka say chale won to me we are regional chairman. Into politics aside, maybe it should not be you. And I was oh yeah. Man kolane na wo pani no what yen kolane say mo chia. Mo ya ye no too much. Enti munsa mra kwanu. Respect yourselves. So, the problem with Abronye because even within MPP, no, there are people who are low key, who are laughing, who are smiling at Abronye Yacheno because including Kennedy Japan team for, including some senior founders of MPP like Nyaonya Otamaklon who think that MPP, no, and yet say branding say na non person over the church MP. Say MPP no be aya ane akodina them no. It should be a context of ideas. You see, I don't think a full soldiers near for me, no. Because my to say, yes, so and you see, what Atem Didiano does is that it takes attention from the core. It's like yetiaya no bogu. And kola 16 ko wu ye. Ya men no be national issue. Be national issue 2 days be pay. It's just sad. It is just sad that we have come to this point. And you see, Abronye or a young person, problem, but one people come and any mamma and you click a crama, minimum we see kakra. And Abronye is a young man, tia can youth no Abronye can home. You can youth and Abronye can home. And one would have thought say youth no and can lead because in the next 5-6 years, Abronye we are one the next obetime a presidential candidate and a minister. In the next government, maybe as every people we near. Whether you're 2028 or 2032, no bet me a minister. And if you to me start to buy say ye dear them. Ye dear, it's sad. It's sad. On my benny actually.
It's no any film lady Afia Pokuah or no so sema obeka about a Abronye a arrest. Aha, Dowona TV. Charadwin. I will comment section.